It's Davin from Brookswood PowerWashing here. We're just arrived at a job, and today's job is to sweep off this roof, clean the branches off, and then clean it up and get all the green off of it. And here's my helper. He's just at the top of the ladder. He's the best helper you can have.
Most expensive helper.
And expensive too. And to show you a little bit more, there's another little peak down there we must clean off. Our next step is to go into the roof and sweep it and move it to get it off the roof. We're going to have a big tarp on the bottom, which we're going to be tossing all this stuff onto, which we'll show you momentarily. This stage of the roof, we push everything to the edge, and we're just tossing it onto a tarp. Then it will be ready to put our application and clean the roof. This is one of the piles that came off the roof, and here's the other pile of debris that came off. This next part of the job, I have to spray the roof with my roof cleaner, then with a mild rinse. So I'm going to go get to it, and I'm going to show you exactly how it gets done. I finished off the roof. As you can see, it looks like brand new.